Hey, it's me MC and nandito na naman tayo sa another Carversations. And as you can see, lakas ng ulan. And naranasan nyo na ba yung kakapakarwash mo lang, parang merong kuntsabahan yung carwash saka yung ulap, diba? Biglang umuulan after ng carwash. And I just realized na madalas na nararamdaman natin to, na experience natin. And wala naman talagang scientific explanation dito, pero meron akong paliwanag kung bakit natin napapansin masyado yung pagkaka-carwash pa lang tas umuulan. It's because it's all about association nung pangyayari ng ulan doon sa positive sana na nangyari sa atin, na it turned out na nagiging negative. Bakit? Positive sana nagpa-carwash tayo and we just spend like 200 pesos, 300 pesos para sa carwash, and then all of a sudden uulan. So ang nangyayari ngayon, nagkakaroon ng negative association yung ulan every after na timing na magpa-carwash tayo. Pero in reality, may mga pagkakataon nagpapa-carwash ka na hindi naman umuulan. And just think of it, no? Everyday merong kina-carwash, eh hindi naman everyday umuulan sa lugar ninyo. So ganun din sa buhay natin. Marami mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na it's just, you know, part of the day na nangyari. Pero hindi mo kailangan maging negative dun sa pangyayari na yon, because it's just is, diba? The sun is rising up every morning and goes down every afternoon. Same thing goes na pag may araw, kulay blue yung langit. Pag may dilim, kulay itim yung langit, diba? It's just is. Wala talagang positive o negative na nangyari doon. It's just a matter of how we associate yung mga pangyayari sa buhay natin, whether it will be a positive or a negative experience. Just like for example, ginagawa mo ang business, nare-reject ka. So for some, yung rejection na yon, negative yung experience nila doon. But let me reframe your mind. For me, yung rejection na yon, it's actually a positive experience because it's actually a sign na you are doing your part. You are doing whatever it is that you need to do. Diba? Pinafront mo yung product mo, pinafront mo yung services mo, pinafront mo yung business mo. That's why you get rejections. Try mo na wag ipaalam sa ibang tao na may business ka. Try mo wag ipaalam sa tao na may ino-offer ka. Wala rin namang rejection eh. Kaya lang ang tanong, may nangyari ba? May chance ba na may mapa-oo ka? May chance ba na may mabenta ka? May chance ba na may movement yung business mo? Wala, diba? So, it's just a matter of how you associate yung experience na yun, whether it may be a positive or negative. It's up to you. So, just like me, sabi ko nga sa inyo, let me teach you this. Pag nare-reject ka, it's actually a good sign, it's actually a positive sign that you are actually doing the business. So, to more rejections to come and more success to come. God bless you guys.